How to remove frequently used emojis on iPhone. So go ahead and open the settings application on your device. Go to general and in this page scroll down and select keyboard. It should be below the date and time option. Now once you're in this page, you will see an emoji button and what we need to do is to delete this one. So swipe left on this button, a delete option will show, so just click on that and this will refresh the current information your emoji keyboard have. Now to add it again, click on the add new keyboard, scroll down and find emoji, tap on that and the emoji will then be added to your keyboard again. Now if you don't want to do this, go ahead and go back to general, scroll down to the very bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Click on Reset and in this additional option, choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. After that, your emoji will then be restarted. So that is how to remove frequently used emojis on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.